હલો નમસ્કાર, હું છું સુહાગ બલદાણિયા. આજે આપણે અહીં મારવાડી યુનિવર્સિટી રાજકોટના સ્ટુડિયોમાં ભેગા થયા છીએ અને મહત્ત્વની બાબત, મહત્ત્વનો વિષય એ છે કે જે વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ ધોરણ 12 સાયન્સની એ ગ્રુપ સાથે પરીક્ષા પાસ કરી છે અને આવા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ પોતાનું ઉજળું ભવિષ્ય બનાવવા માટે એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં પ્રવેશ મેળવવા માટે જઈ રહ્યા છે. તો આ દેશના યુવાનો માટે મને ઝવેરચંદભાઈ મેઘાણીની એક નાની એવી પંક્તિ યાદ આવે છે કે ઘટમાં ઘોડા ધનગને અને આતમ વિંજે પાખ, આ અણદીઠેલી ભોમ પર મારું યૌવન માંડે આંખ. તો આવા યુવાનો કે જે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ પોતાનું ઉજળું ભવિષ્ય બનાવવા માટે એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં પ્રવેશ મેળવવા માટે જઈ રહ્યા છે, પણ સૌથી મહત્ત્વનો પ્રશ્ન એ છે, સૌથી મહત્ત્વની ચિંતા એ છે કે મારે કઈ એન્જિનિયરિંગ કોલેજમાં એડમિશન લેવું અને ખાસ કરીને કઈ કોલેજમાં અને કઈ બ્રાન્ચમાં એડમિશન લેવું. તો આવા મૂંઝવતા પ્રશ્નોનો હલ કરવા માટે મારવાડી યુનિવર્સિટીના એક નિષ્ણાત પ્રોફેસર આ સ્ટુડિયોમાં આપણી સમક્ષ હાજર છે. પ્રોફેસર વિજય દુબે ફ્રોમ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન એન્ડ કોમ્યુનિકેશન ટેકનોલોજી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ, મારવાડી યુનિવર્સિટી, રાજકોટ. સર, મને તમારે માટે પહેલો જ પ્રશ્ન એ છે કે જે હમણાં મેં વાત કરી કે વિદ્યાર્થીઓને સૌથી મોટો મૂંઝવતો પ્રશ્ન હોય કે મારે કઈ કોલેજમાં એડમિશન લેવું અને કઈ બ્રાન્ચમાં એડમિશન લેવું, એના માટે કયા કયા પરિબળો જવાબદાર હોય છે?
First of all, Suhag, this is, a crucial question, the most confusing question. Parents ने, students ने हमेशा આ એક વાતની ચિંતા હોય છે. તો સૌથી પહેલાં મારું માનવાનું એવું થાય છે કે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ શુડ ફોકસ ઓન their interest. Because whatever you want to study, first and the foremost thing is whether you are interested or not. Most of the students, most of the parents are misleading themselves by the market flow. Okay, this buzzword is going in the market, let's take an admission into that.
Yeah.
This particular branch is having this, let's take admission into that. So rather than that, I would suggest the parents and students that તમને જેમાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે પહેલાં એને આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરો. જ્યાં સુધી કોલેજની, યુનિવર્સિટીની વાત આવે તો એક કોલેજનું, યુનિવર્સિટીનું જે મહત્ત્વનું કામ છે એ છે કે ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચર પ્રોવાઈડ કરવું. સો એઝ અ પેરેન્ટ્સ, એઝ અ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, they should see like what kind of laboratory facilities they have, what kind of library facilities they have, what they are doing for incubations, startup, entrepreneurship. Other than that, its second most important parameter is how do they promote the teaching learning, what is the learning environment in the institute, qualified faculties.
Yes.
Right. So these all are the important aspects when you are selecting the college. Now, how do you get all this information being a student or parents? So you should always check for the accreditation status. Like there are many nationalized bodies like NAC, NBA, Center of Excellence. So we at Marwadi University have been accredited by NAC A+. So which establishes that Marwadi University has the finest modern infrastructure which supports the students' learning. We believe in providing high quality teaching and learning practices. We have the most qualified staff members who are nurturing the career of the students. And other than that, library and research and incubation and all sort of, you can say, extracurricular activities and other things, they are directly or indirectly supporting the students' benefit. So in a simple note, we can say students should put the interest first. Right? If they do not know the interest, they should go with core branches where diversity is there in the course. They should experience different subjects, different domains, and based on their interest, based on learning primary and intermediate level subjects, they should decide the flow.
Exactly. So thank you, sir. So my next question for you is that as per my knowledge, you are working from Marwadi University and specifically from Information and Communication Technology Department, right?
Yeah.
So nowadays, છેલ્લા 10 વર્ષોથી જોવામાં એ આવે છે કે જે ટોપ મેરિટના સ્ટુડન્ટ છે કે જે લોકો સારા રિઝલ્ટ હોવા છતાં આઈસીટી બ્રાન્ચમાં એડમિશન લેવા માટે તત્પર હોય છે. સો વોટ ઇઝ આઈસીટી બ્રાન્ચમાં એડમિશન શા માટે લેવું જોઈએ? એ વિદ્યાર્થીઓને આ પ્રશ્ન જો સરખી રીતે એમનો જવાબ આપવામાં આવે તો એમનું જે કન્ફ્યુઝન છે એ આ દિશામાં દૂર થઈ શકે છે. So what is ICT and why students take admission in ICT branch?
Well, what you said is like for last 15 years or so, it is the topmost merit students' first choice.
Yeah.
Right. Information and communication technology students are choosing, top merit students are choosing. The reason is, as I discussed in my first question, the reason is diversity. Now, when I talk about diversity, what do I mean by that? In ICT, you get the flavor of different disciplines. Like, it is a mixture of, you can say, software. It also covers electronics. It also covers AI, machine learning, right? Other than that, it covers cloud, wireless technologies, robotics, and many other aspects. Now, when you have such a diversity, right? So, definitely after 4 years, you will have more opportunities either in the government sector, or you can expect the opportunities in the private sector. So, information and communication technology is a finest course, the most diversified course. At bachelor level, it's a core course and it has ample amount of opportunities. We can talk about like the kind of ecosystem which is being developed in Gujarat right now, semiconductor. So, semiconductor is a part of ICT. Software development, so it is a part of ICT. Cloud and cybersecurity and other aspects, it is a part of ICT. Right. Other than that, AI and machine learning, which is a buzzword, so that is a part of ICT. So, ICT covers almost, you can say, 360-degree environment, and student feels themselves comfortable, explores the diversity, and that's why it is the first choice of top merit students.
Exactly.
Because top merit students know that if I would experience the diversity in my academic career, the same diversity they'll be able to apply when they go for the professional career. See, market is never constant. 5 years down the line, what is going to be on the top in the professional career, no one knows. But if you have experienced diversity in the academic career, that experience is going to lead you to switch, you can say changing the field, or whatever is feasible, setting up your new entrepreneur infrastructure. So, all those kind of possibilities are feasible when you are choosing ICT. So, it's that way advantageous compared to other disciplines. Yeah.
So, sir, my next question is based on your previous answer. You said ICT is a combination, or we can say mixture of computer and electronics, right? So, I think it includes the subjects related to computers, it includes the subject related to electronics, right? So, basically જ્યારે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ ICT બ્રાન્ચમાં એડમિશન કન્ફર્મ કરે છે, વન્સ દે કન્ફર્મ ધ એડમિશન ઇન ICT બ્રાન્ચ, રાઈટ? સો વિદ્યાર્થીઓનો પહેલો પ્રશ્ન હું વિદ્યાર્થીના બિહાફમાં પ્રશ્ન કરી શકું છું, એવું તમે સમજી શકો છો, રાઈટ? તો વિદ્યાર્થીઓ ફર્સ્ટ યરમાં જ્યારે આવે છે, રાઈટ? સો ઇટ ઇઝ અ કોમ્બિનેશન ઓફ હાર્ડવેર એન્ડ સોફ્ટવેર. સો માય ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન ઇઝ, hardware related which subjects you are going to teach for the students?
Well, we have a choice based flexible subject selection. It's a unique, you can say, feature that we provide to our stakeholders, right? Basically students. Now, how does this work? So, let's say when the student has completed 12th, 12મું ધોરણ પૂરું કર્યું છે, તો અત્યારે બ્રાન્ચ સિલેક્શનના તમારી માટે પેરામીટર શું? You will hear from like buzzwords, maybe news articles. You will learn from the seniors in your family. You will take an opinion of different people, what branch is going on, where to take an admission. All these kind of aspects are there for analysis purpose. When the student is in 12th, student has not experienced anything, right? Here in the first year, second year, what we do is we provide the flavor of different disciplines. And those subjects are, you can say, basic and intermediate level subjects. Let's say, take an example, I want to learn about sensors. So, in ICT, in the first semester itself, we provide like foundation skills in sensor interfacing, which is a hands-on based, completely application layer subject, where students are doing wonders, they are doing projects, they are thinking community based, scenario based, many things are there. So, when they learn sensors, somebody would like it, somebody may dislike it. Just as 12th. In 12th, they have studied 3 subjects, chemistry, maths and physics. Now, can you say that every student likes all 3 subjects? Answer is no. Somebody might be liking physics, so they are paying more attention. કોકને maths ગમતું હશે, so they are paying more attention. તો એના physics ને chemistry જે છે થોડા compromise થતા હશે. Same happens with this also. તો તમે ઇનિશિયલ યર્સમાં એકેડેમિક ફેઝમાં અલગ અલગ સબ્જેક્ટ્સને શું એક્સપિરિયન્સ કરો. સોફ્ટવેરમાં જ્યારે જશે તો ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન ટુ કમ્પ્યુટર પ્રોગ્રામિંગ ઇઝ their first semester subject. If I like C, right, if I'm doing most complex problem in C, that means I would like object oriented programming also. I would like data structure also. I would like internet web technology, and in future I can go with advanced Java web technology, .NET, mobile application development, and my career for software is now set. Somehow, if I do not like C, I would start with sensors. I would learn digital. I would learn analog electronics, applied electronics, microcontrollers, computer system architecture, and then I'll go for like VLSI, advanced microprocessor, sensor IoT, all these kind of subjects I'll take. I'll make my career in electronics. There is a student, let's say, who did not find interest in sensors also, neither in any programming language also. So for them, we offer like from first year itself, R language, Python, data visualization. So when they are comfortable with these primary intermediate subjects, they are ready to make their career in AI, ML. So further track will be AI, ML, deep learning, advanced machine learning, all these kind of subjects they are going to take. If you are interested in neither of what I mentioned, you have cloud security, all those domains you can take and shape your career. We have many alumni who have shaped their careers in cloud, security, AI. So we have a most diversified alumni network also.
ઓકે
So I hope that clarifies.
સો દેટ મીન્સ આના ઉપરથી એટલો તો વિદ્યાર્થીઓને ખ્યાલ આવશે જ કે આઈસીટી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટમાં ચોઇસ બેઝડ ડોમેન એક્સપોઝર પ્રોવાઈડ કરવામાં આવે છે.
Yes.
મીન્સ ઇન સિમ્પલ લેંગ્વેજ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ પોતાના ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ પોતાના રસ પ્રમાણે જેમ જેમ એક સેમિસ્ટર પૂરું કર્યા પછી બીજું સેમિસ્ટર પૂરું કર્યા પછી એમને જે ક્ષેત્રમાં રસ છે એ રસને આગળ વધારી પોતાનું ભવિષ્ય ઉજ્જવળ બનાવી શકે.
That's it. That's the whole point of ICT. It's a philosophy of ICT, and we strongly believe in this philosophy, and we have got excellent results also by adopting this philosophy, because we have seen that if you are a student, if you are interested in X subject, whatever it could be, doesn't matter, you automatically will spend additional hours, extended learning efforts you will do. You will take the most complex challenge and you will try to solve it.
Okay.
You are spending enormous amount of time. So all these things will definitely improve your learning curve. And when your learning curve is improved, sky is your limit. Simple.
Okay, exactly, sir. So my next question is that suppose student has confirmed the admission in ICT branch, right?
Okay.
So once they have started to study a particular or specific subject semester wise, once they completed first semester, then after second semester, then after third, fourth, fifth, so આ જે એમનું એન્જિનિયરિંગનું સ્ટડી ચાલુ છે, સો બેઝિકલી એઝ એ હ્યુમન નેચર આપણને એટલો તો ખ્યાલ છે જ કે પુસ્તકના જ્ઞાન કરતાં જ્યારે વિદ્યાર્થી પ્રેક્ટિકલી એનું નોલેજ એપ્લાય નહીં કરે ત્યાં સુધી એને એક્સપિરિયન્સ નહીં કરી શકે, રાઈટ? સો માય ક્વેશ્ચન ઇઝ દેટ એન્જિનિયરિંગ ચાલુ હોય, આઈસીટી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ આવા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે એમની ઇન્ટર્નશીપ અને ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી એક્સપોઝર માટે કેવા કેવા પ્રયત્નો કરી શકે છે?
Well, to answer this, basically, there are different strategies. Those strategies are meeting the requirement, finally reaches to industry-institution interaction. I'll start with very fundamental thing. Let's say I'm teaching sensors. So in sensors, we promote the students to make quality projects. Building projects, we believe in project-based learning. So building one project, spending so much of time, so much of interest, so much of learning happens. Ultimately, the more efforts you are putting, you feel yourself comfortable in that area. That is one thing. We promote learner-centric approach. So every learner has different ability. Every learner is good in different subjects. So we don't expect like you should be excellent in everything. Yeah. I always tell to my students, let's say you have 6 subjects, right? Out of those 6, you like 2 only. So those 2 subjects, you should prepare 1000%. I mean, about beyond the syllabus you should go and prepare it like anything. It is going to help you in every aspect. the 4 subjects that you do not like, that you should prepare bare minimum 100%. Most of the students are, practicing this at ICT, and as a part of result, by the time they reach to say second semester, we have summer break, like summer internship model is there. So in second semester, fourth semester, sixth semester, you are getting this opportunity. We have industry supported labs. We have MOUs with different industries, for example, InfoChips. So recent example, we selected, and eInfochip has selected 16 students from ICT. They are from second semester also, they are from fourth semester also, and they are from sixth semester also. They are going to be there in the company for around 6 to 8 weeks of time. 6 થી 8 વીકમાં એ લોકો ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીનું એન્વાયરમેન્ટ એડોપ્ટ કરશે, ત્યાંના લાઈવ પ્રોજેક્ટ્સ ઉપર કામ કરશે. સેમિકન્ડક્ટર ફિલ્ડમાં અત્યારે જે ગુજરાતમાં જે ડેવલપમેન્ટ થઈ રહ્યા છે એ ડેવલપમેન્ટ્સને એક્સપ્લોર કરશે, રાઈટ? એન્ડ દેટ વે દે આર ગોઈંગ ટુ કમ વિથ સમ એક્સપિરિયન્સ ફ્રોમ ધ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી. અહીંયા 2 વસ્તુ થાય છે કે લાઇટ સે સેકન્ડ સેમેસ્ટરનો વિદ્યાર્થી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં જાય છે, બરાબર? ઓલરેડી હી હેઝ સ્પેન્ટ 1 year હિયર. અહીંયાથી કંઈક અનુભવ લઈને એ ત્યાં જાય છે, ત્યાંથી કંઈક અનુભવ લઈને એ પોતાનું વિઝન સેટ કરીને પાછો એકેડેમિક રિઝ્યુમ કરીને પોતાના ઇન્ટરેસ્ટને વધારે પ્રબળ કરે છે. દે આર સ્ટ્રેન્થનિંગ દેર ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ, દે આર નાવ મોર ફોકસ્ડ. સો this kind of activities in general, we provide almost 10 to 12 months of internship in their entire academic phase, including 8th semester. And the reason this basically improves their placements, those who want to set up the entrepreneurship, they also have this kind of exposure of industries. They can learn how to set up their business and all, startups and other things. So that way we have a very good industry connections. Plus we frequently organize, latest trends, technology based workshops and seminars and expert talks. We invite people from industry, and we also run, industry mentee program. So industries are, taking the responsibility of say 2 students from second semester, 4 students from fourth semester. That way it's a bunch of, let's say, 10 students, and virtual mode, hybrid mode, they are monitoring and evaluating the progress of the students. So by the time they reach to 7th semester, they are almost ready for, you can say, industry, working in an industry environment.
ઓકે, દેટ મીન્સ યુ મીન ટુ સે વિદ્યાર્થીઓનું જ્યારે એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં સ્ટડી ચાલુ હોય છે, સેકન્ડ સેમિસ્ટર, ફોર્થ સેમિસ્ટર અને સિક્સ સેમિસ્ટર, સો ડ્યુરિંગ એકેડેમિક એ લોકો ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ એક્સપિરિયન્સ ગેઇન કરે છે, રાઈટ? સો એમનું પ્રેક્ટિકલ નોલેજમાં ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ જોવા મળે છે.
ટ્રુ.
ગુડ. સર, તમને તો ખ્યાલ જ હશે કે આપણું આ ગુજરાત ગાંધીનું ગુજરાત છે એવું કહેવામાં આવે છે, રાઈટ? સો મહાત્મા ગાંધી ઇઝ અવર નેશનલ હીરો, એન્ડ હી બિલીવ્સ ઇન ethical values, pure ethical values. For example, honesty, accountability, transparency, responsibility. So, one of the ethical values, નૈતિક મૂલ્ય જે છે એ teamwork, right? So, teamwork for the students is very important aspect for specifically for engineering students.
Yeah.
So, my question is that ICT department in Marwadi University, વિદ્યાર્થીઓમાં teamwork ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ માટે કેવા કેવા પ્રયાસ કરી શકે છે?
As I said, from first year itself, from the first semester itself, we rigorously believe in project-based learning, and usually these projects are team projects, right? They are not individuals. So it's a team of 3 or 4 students. Like-minded people, when connected together, definitely they generate wonders. That is what the philosophy of ICT is, and from first year itself this kind of exposure is being given to them. So late night Zoom calls, we have 24/7 access to laboratory. So we have seen students spending time in the laboratory, working in a team. It basically builds the confidence. Plus there is a skill exchange. When you are doing some project, student 1 is good in X skill, student 2 is good in Y skill. So it's an exchange of skill also. Other than that, we promote interdisciplinary approach also. So many of our students are connecting with other students. It could be peer learning, you can say, where higher semester students are being associated with lower semester students to guide them effectively in extended hours. Other than that, we also promote student clubs. Student club is, the most dynamic, you can say, exposure, where whenever juniors are coming to the campus, based on the interest that they have identified, they are joining one of the club. We have competitive programming clubs. So those who are interested in software can go for competitive programming. Those who are interested in circuits, so they can join circuitology. Those who are interested in AI, ML, so we have data science club. And we have cloud and DevOps club also. So those who are interested in security and cloud based aspects. So these 4 clubs are run by the students. When we say student clubs, they are basically being led by the students. Students are designing the activities, they are executing the activities. Faculties are just in a mentoring role. Mentoring role, it's a kind of, you can say, you decide and then have to just take a final approval from us. We have no interference in what you are doing. So it gives the ownership to the students. Okay, I am owner of this club. Now it's my responsibility to drive this club, to brand our value. There is, a competition, like in CP club there are 50 members, so circuitology will do some extraordinary activity to grab the attention of the people so that the numbers can be. So it's this kind of healthy environment basically helps the students to grow, to nurture, and they are definitely working in a team. Working in a team comes with challenges also. Sometimes the opinions given are not accepted by the team members. So at that time we interfere and try to balance everything so that they learn, because in professional environment you always have to work, team projects will be there, team leaders will be there. So how to groom yourself professionally, that experience they get through this kind of club cultures, project based learning, multidisciplinary projects, and all these things are highly incorporated in the philosophy of ICT.
Okay, so this one is the best example, I can say the best example of teamwork.
Yeah.
Right. Sir, my next question is that we all know આજનો કાળા માથાનો માનવી જે છે એણે સમયાંતરે સતત પ્રગતિ કરે છે. જ્યારે આપણે આદિમાનવથી વાત કરીએ તો ડે બાય ડે ઇનોવેશન in science, technology, right? So if we are talking about the first industrial revolution, પહેલી ઔદ્યોગિક ક્રાંતિ કે જેમાં કૃષિ ક્ષેત્રમાં જે ઓજારો હતા એની જગ્યાએ ટેકનોલોજીએ સ્થાન લીધું. સેકન્ડ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ રિવોલ્યુશન, ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન, ટેલિકોમ્યુનિકેશન ક્ષેત્રે હરણફાળ પ્રગતિ કરી. થર્ડ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ રિવોલ્યુશન કે જેમાં વી આર યુઝિંગ નાવેડેઝ ઇન્ટરનેટ, કોમ્પ્યુટર, એ લોકો એ ટેકનોલોજીનું નોંધપાત્ર યોગદાન રહ્યું. અત્યારે જે આખા વર્લ્ડમાં બ્લૂમ છે, જે બધાના મગજ ઉપર જેનો હાવ છે એ ટેકનોલોજી, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આર્ટિફિશિયલ ઇન્ટેલિજન્સ, રાઈટ? જ્યાં તમે જુઓ એઆઈ, રોબોટિક્સ, 5G, બિગ ડેટા એનાલિટિક્સ, રાઈટ? સો આ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી 4.0, રાઈટ? અને સ્પેસિફિકલી ઇન્ડિયાની સેન્ટ્રલ ગવર્મેન્ટ અને સ્ટેટ ગવર્મેન્ટ જેમનું ફોકસ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી 4.0 ઉપર છે. તો આ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી 4.0ને ધ્યાનમાં રાખીને આઈસીટી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ પોતાના વિદ્યાર્થીઓની કારકિર્દી અને ઉજ્જવળ ભવિષ્ય માટે કેવા પ્રયત્નો કરી શકે છે?
Well, when you talk about the quality of engineers, right? Basically, there are 3 skills which I would like to address. One is creativity. Like, what do you expect from an engineer? They should be creative. They should have excellent observation skills, analytical skills. They should be a very good problem solvers. And finally, they should be innovators. Because once these 3 qualities are there, you can basically address technological advancements. You can fit yourself into the recent global trends which are going on. So it's all about skills. Department of Information and Communication Technology promotes skill-based education, practical education, project-based learning. All these are the aspects we cover. If you take an example of the ecosystem which is being developed right now in Gujarat, the semiconductor development, India is going to be the hub for the manufacturing. So this kind of developments are being adopted. Now, because this ecosystem is developing, what is the need of a department? What should the department do? So, department upgrades the syllabus, the curriculum. Are we involving the latest technologies in the curriculum? Are we giving enough exposure in terms of efficient laboratory infrastructure? Let's say I want to make my career in chip design. So, do the students have that ability to perform experiments or doing simulations? What actually the chip design field is, and are we experiencing that in our laboratories? Then are we giving them the opportunity for internships in the companies, as I talked about, e-info chips? So, all these efforts we are putting. Let's say somebody is interested in artificial intelligence. So, we have Zuru sponsored laboratory infrastructure where high performing workstations are there. Students of ICT do not need to go anywhere else to just check and run their models. They can simply go in the lab, put the model, just wait for a while, and the things are ready. So, whatever the work they are doing, that work is being reflected as a part of outcome. They can little bit correct it, they can recheck it, all these kind of facilities are there. So, whatever ecosystem is developing, according to that we are modifying our syllabus, we are incorporating latest technologies in the curriculum. We have a provision of every 6 months revision for the syllabus, where we have domain experts from the industries in all the segments.
Okay.
Whether it is electronics, whether it is software, AI. So, from all the segments we invite the domain experts who are from industries. Our alumni network we take into the consideration, and whatever is required, those alterations are done, those modifications are done, and એ બધા modifications students ને expose કરવામાં આવે છે in terms of their learning. એટલે લેટેસ્ટ જે ટેકનોલોજી છે એને સર્વાઈવ કરવા માટે જે સ્કિલ્સ છે એ સ્કિલ્સને ઇન્ક્લુડ કરીને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને સર્વ કરવામાં આવે છે. So, and that basically serves the purpose, and then internships and projects and other stuff.
Okay. Sir, suppose students has confirmed the admission in ICT branch, right? They have started their academic with ICT department.
Okay.
After first semester, second semester, third semester, right? So, my question is that during the engineering academic, how can student manage their normal life and engineering life?
Well, the way technologies are progressing, advancements are happening, I would suggest that students should keep themselves updated all the time. Whatever we offer as a part of syllabus is a necessity. Other than that, you have to additionally self-learn the hardcore latest developments, right? Because everything cannot be a part of curriculum. So, normal life and engineering life. So, in ICT, if you are coming in ICT, that means make those 4 years fully dedicated to learning. That is what I suggest. 6 hours of your, you can say, academic class, laboratories and other stuff. 3 to 4 hours daily they are required to fulfill academic requirements, plus 1 hour bare minimum to earn one skill. So, let us say I am setting a target in this 6 months, I want to earn one skill. So, at least I have to spend 1 hour daily. It is a bare minimum requirement. તો વિદ્યાર્થી પોતાના જે 10 કલાક છે એ એને સ્ટડીમાં આપવાના જ. હવે અમુક વખતે માણસને એન્ટરટેનમેન્ટ જોઈએ. સો વી ફ્રોમ ધ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ લેવલ વી ફ્રિક્વન્ટલી ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ ડિફરન્ટ સ્પોર્ટ્સ એક્ટિવિટીઝ, different cultural activities. So, in those days you are freely allowed, you can say completely free from the academics, just enjoy yourself, do whatever you wish to. We have many fests in the university, MU Fest and other events are there. Students experience them, and that way you can say stress buster or energizer are being fed. So, every 2 months, let's say one such event is there where 2 days you can simply relax, let's not do anything, and then again once you are charged, resume yourself. But 10-hour principle is must. 6 hours academics, 3 to 4 hours bare minimum you have to spend with yourself to fulfill academic requirement and to earn one skill.
Okay.
Because this earning of one skill will make you differ from other students.
Exactly.
There are thousands of students who are learning software. In the country there are lakhs of students. How would you differentiate yourself? So what others are not doing, you do. If others are living their normal life in engineering, you do not. Simple.
ઓકે માય લાસ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન ફોર યુ.
Yeah.
તો તમે આ જે 12 સાયન્સ પાસ કરીને જે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં એડમિશન લેવા માટે આતુરતાથી રાહ જોઈ રહ્યા છે, રાઈટ, તો આવા વિદ્યાર્થીઓને તમે આઈસીટી બ્રાન્ચ ચૂઝ કરવા પાછળનું રીઝન શું, અને શા માટે તમે આવા વિદ્યાર્થીઓને આઈસીટી બ્રાન્ચ સિલેક્ટ કરવા માટે અને કેવી રીતે તેમને રિકમેન્ડ કરી શકો?
Well, I'll connect my first question.
Yeah.
Interest. If you have specific interest in X branch, you are well sure, go with it. Right? Do not think anything. If you are confused, like you don't know where your interest lies, come to ICT, experience the diversity in 2 years, and then after you decide. And that's why it is a top choice of top merit students of Gujarat. They can get admission in any branch, in any college, doesn't matter. Why do they choose ICT? The specific reason is diversity. Let's experience diversity. After experiencing diversity, થાળી ખાવા જાય તો પહેલાં આપણે 4 શાક મંગાવી લઈએ ને, ઠાકરમાં આપણે જઈએ તો 4 શાક મંગાવી લીધા, ચારે થોડા થોડા ચાખી લીધા, પછી તમે શું કરશો?
જે ભાવતું હોય
જે ભાવતું હશે એ જ મંગાવશો, એ વધારે મંગાવશો, એને વધારે ખાશો, એમાં તમારો મેક્સિમમ ટાઈમ કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ કરશો. So same applies here. When you don't know what is good, what is bad, let's first experience. That's what ICT is.
Okay. So sir, thank you very much for your golden and valuable words, and I hope these words will definitely help to the students who are going to take the admission in engineering, right? So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.